The polypropylene cone is attached to the voice coil. A rubber surround is added to the outer rim. The spider is fitted to keep the coil centered. This ensures perfectly linear movement. Industrial adhesive is applied to the metal basket. Automated machines place the assembly inside. The spider is secured to ensure centering. This completes the full structural bond. Each speaker is connected to a testing machine. Engineers check bass, treble, and distortion. They also verify there is no unwanted vibration. The finished speakers are cleaned, packed, and boxed. They are ready to be shipped worldwide. They are used in TVs and home theaters. They also power cars and Bluetooth speakers.